I'm going to show you one of my favorite skills I have, and I think this is something that having in your tool belt would dramatically improve your experience if you create content in any capacity. So the best way I will talk about this particular skill would be to demonstrate it so you can see it in action. Now, I'm coming in here to Claude. This is a vanilla coming to Claude. And if I do my skills, let's actually do skills. You would find a skill. Let's actually do this Excalidraw. You'll find this skill that I have called Excalidraw diagramming skill. So very powerful. Now, this skill allows you to create diagrams to Excalidraw. If you don't know what Excalidraw is, I'll talk about it here shortly. So here's going to be my prompt. Can you use the Excalidraw diagram skill and create for me a nice visual of the Google Workspace CLI that was recently released? So that's my prompt. Now, Google has released this CLI called the GWS CLI. That's very powerful in Claude, and I made a demo around it. As somebody who creates content who is visual, I want to understand what is this from a visual perspective, not just some writing. So I'll go ahead and put in that prompt. While this is going, I'm going to switch over. If you don't know what Excalidraw is, again, this is one of my secret weapons in my tool belt for just quickly understanding concepts and visualizing. You can come in, there's a website version, there are desktop plugins, there are cursor plugins, just powerful to come in and quickly draw diagrams, explain things. As such, you might want to connect arrows from one diagram to another diagram where things are flowing. So this is might be the user. As well, this might be the database, and you have visuals like this. I think I'm not making a tutorial here on Excalidraw, assuming you know this. On the web version, it's fine. On the desktop version, you can have this architecture or visual diagrams embedded within your code or your working experience. Now, what I just talked about with the Google Workspace CLI would normally probably take quite a bit of time to draw that diagram. But if we switch back here, you can see my prompt is going. It's been running for a minute, and this will do a research. I'm going to pause the video and come back once that diagram is done so we see the result of what it produces. It's pretty amazing. So that took about 19 minutes to execute, quite a bit of time to be honest with you, but it did give us a result which is really good. I think you guys are gonna love this. So that result has been exported. It gave me both the PNG and the .excalidraw file. And so what we can do with this is if I go over to my desktop here is the PNG we got. Isn't this beautiful? So it talks about the Google Workspace CLI, Google Workspace CLI, what the command is, the fact that you can integrate using your CLI terminal, agent, 92 skills. Here are the Workspace APIs you can access, and then here are the 92 agents available for meeting prep, to send emails, interact with Google Drive, and all of this was done with a single prompt. So this Excalidraw skill is tremendous. If you have one skill to have in your tool belt, I would definitely include the Excalidraw skill within Claude Code. Now, I want to also show what this looks like from the web browser. Let me switch over. So I went ahead, switched over to my desktop, and then opened up the Excalidraw file we saw. And yet again, we have this diagram all built with a single prompt using Excalidraw. You can all see this, and I think this is pretty amazing. Let's zoom in so we can see the entire diagram. It comes up with this, the color, the lines, all showing up pretty well. So Excalidraw skill, this is a very powerful skill. I think as skills become more powerful, almost every tool and service you use there will probably have a skill of some sort. You can bring that into your Claude Code, and they have the tremendous power behind that. Have you tried the Excalidraw skill? What has your experience been? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, this has been Fru here with Fru Dev. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next demo.